If you're trying to advertise your software or B2B SaaS on LinkedIn ads, you're gonna have a bad time. I have to stop quoting South Park. But the reason I say this is because everyone jumps onto LinkedIn ads for their B2B SaaS and just do static images or some poorly made lead magnets. I'm gonna show you how to maximize your efforts with high quality lead magnets for your software company on LinkedIn. So step number one when advertising for your software or SaaS on LinkedIn ads is to provide real, actionable value to your target audience. And you normally can do this through a few ways. You could do it with a static image showing the picture of your ebook. You can do it through a free webinar to provide some value. But my personal favorite that's worked well and the best for me and my clients is actually doing a video ad, just like this one right here, providing value to your ideal customer. And LinkedIn has recently rolled out video retargeting. So you can basically retarget people who have watched a percentage of your video, showing them the next video in your sequence, which is another big reason why you should be doing video. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Done is better than perfect. Even if people don't make a transaction with you right away and give you money, they should still feel like that first touch point was valuable and worth their time. That's where everyone gets it wrong. They go straight to sale, buy our software, get our free trial, look how amazing we are. And that's just not the way when if you're going to these high accounts that are likely going to be like enterprise customers or like an annual plan, you really need to nurture them a little bit. Another way to think about this too as well, instead of building 5 lead magnets or 5 cheat sheets, ebooks, whatever, try building one amazing one that people would be willing to pay you money for, then give it away for free. The second way to get your customers or prospects, create a ultimate guide for free about how to get more inbound sales and increase your return by X number or whatever. Have case studies like great, and promote that on LinkedIn. And even better, promote the first half of it in a video ad where you're telling them what the tips are, right? And then say, hey, if you want to see the full ultimate guide, click the link in the description, absolutely free, and check it out there. Now you're getting 2 touch points. They're watching your video, which you can retarget them on. Then they're going to your website where you're obviously going to include some kind of content upgrade for them to opt in with their email, right? Then you can nurture them through an email marketing sequence while also retargeting them with ads on LinkedIn. Versus the old way where someone would see your ad for your software, say, sign up today, 7-day free trial, and guess what's gonna happen? Scroll right past it. There's no value add. There's not much motivation to check it out unless it absolutely solves a problem I am immediately having and I had no education and I'm just looking for a solution, which I'd be Googling anyways. And I see you're at the right time, right place, whatnot. Let's err on the side of caution and create content that doesn't need me to be right time, right place, right now. Instead, you're nurturing me by giving me free value, lots of advice, just like this video right here, to then get me to opt in for some kind of more free content and then start to build a relationship there. Don't start off with some sort of buy from me kind of approach. Start off with, hey, here's this free thing you're gonna find valuable. Let's connect. Let's have a relationship so I can give you more free stuff. And then eventually proceed to the pitch. Offer some sort of urgency for them to take action on your software, sign up today, some kind of extra discount for the annual plan or something that whatever makes sense for your business. So if you got some value to this video, this one's more about strategy, less about the actionable step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 inside LinkedIn ads. I'm actually creating more content around LinkedIn ads in the future. So please go ahead and click the subscribe button and click the bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Leave a like if you like this content. If you have any questions at all, put them in the comments and I'll reply back to them. My name is Lewis Mudgers. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.